So what we need to do, check it over here again, C out, then again over here box number 4, this one, which one is your variable name, and then we need to print again back your /n. So whenever you are using /n, every values will be coming to the next line. Okay, check it over here. If I am going to print these things, you can check every having to the different your data types are there, isn't it? Now over here we took to the string. Let's take to the another thing, which one I want to be a, we have to the true false value. Okay, we are using over here boolean as a data type, bull. Okay, bol, bull, boolean data type. And then let me write your variable name. See, every time I'm creating to the different variable, you can check that. Integer purpose I use the variable that is called box1, double purpose I variable that is called box2, char purpose I use to the variable that is called box3, string purpose I use the variable that is called box4, boolean purpose I use the variable that is called box number 5. So I created like that way, box1, box2, box3, box4, box5, and everywhere I store to the different values are there. Okay, so in the box4 I will be writing to the directly the value that is maybe I want to put to the true. Okay, so true value I'm going to print over here. Okay, now I want to be a print that C out. After that greater than I want to print to the over here box number 5. Okay, so let me put over here my box number 5. I want to print that, and I don't want letter to the /n because I don't want to be need anything extra thing will be coming into the next line. So what I can do, I can click over here to the run button, and you can check over here they are saying one error, line number 15 error, we have the 5. Okay, what happened, we did not put it to the semicolon. I said that every after your printing statement we need to put to the semicolon. So if you are using semicolon, then only it will be run. You can check right now, you can get into the output. Okay, now whenever you have to the boolean values are there, it is be showing. If you are putting to the true, then it is showing to the value that is 1, and if you are putting to the over here false, then it is showing over here that is called a 0. You can check over here, it is showing to the 0 over here. Now again, understand properly the one by one line properly the code. Okay, we are using a variable concept. Variable means what? It is storing to the data. It is a container where we can store to the data. Okay, so over here you can see the box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4, box 5. These are my different variables are there, and in that variable I store the different datas. You can check, this is we have to the 4445. This is the integer data. That's why this purpose I use a integer value. Okay, integer data type. Then again I have over here 8.6, which one is the another value. So that's why I use over here what? The double value. Then again over here you can see that I use a one character that is called R. Then that's why it is over here I rotate to the char as a data type. Okay, so whenever you are declaring to the variable, it's mandatory we need to declare with first your data type, second is your variable name, and third is your data type. That is data type, no, third one is your value, whatever you have. Is equal to is the assigning operator, which one are telling that whatever you have to the value this side, it will be storing inside of your variable. Same integer data type, number data type I store. Double means a floating, or I can say the decimal point I store inside of this over here. Then again character means one only, R, A, B, C, D, and like that I send store inside of this variable using by this data type. Then string means what? A something big sentence, right? So that sentence I store inside of this one using by string. Then again boolean is there, means whenever you have to the true false value, like if you want to be a 0 and 1 if you want to be sent, then you can do this thing, isn't it? And down over here I printed to the whatever I store inside of the variable. Okay, so this exactly we learn the variable concept. Okay, now after variable